Have you checked if your Samsung Galaxy A series phone has received the latest update? Samsung has just released the January 2025 security patch for several mid-range models in the United States, including the Galaxy A23 5G, Galaxy A32 5G, Galaxy A35 5G, and Galaxy A53 5G. While these phones may not be the newest on the market, they are still getting important updates to ensure that they run smoothly and remain secure. This latest update fixes a total of 29 vulnerabilities to the Android operating system, along with 22 security flaws specific to Samsung devices. Although it's not bringing any flashy new features, it's crucial for keeping your phone protected from potential threats. Security patches like these may seem small, but they play an important role in maintaining your phone's security and stability. It's always a good idea to keep your phone updated, as it helps protect your personal information and keeps the device running at its best. For users of the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A53, there's even more good news. These two models will soon be upgraded to Samsung's One UI 7, which is based on Android 15. This update will bring a host of new features, performance improvements, and UI tweaks that will breathe new life into these phones. Unfortunately, the Galaxy A23 and A32 won't be getting this update, but they will continue to receive security patches so they won't be left behind completely. If you're ready to check for the update, just go to the settings menu on your phone, tap software update, and then hit download and install. It's a quick and simple process that ensures your phone is protected with the latest fixes. While that might feel like a minor update, these patches are essential for ensuring your device stays secure and efficient. It's easy to overlook, but keeping your phone updated is one of the best ways to avoid security risks and keep your phone functioning smoothly. Samsung's decision to continue providing updates to older models like the Galaxy A series highlights their commitment to long-term software support. Many people use their smartphones for several years, and these updates help extend the life of their devices. Even if your phone isn't the latest model, receiving regular updates ensures it stays relevant and secure, making it a more reliable device for longer. The update is available for unlocked versions of these models, and carrier-locked variants should be receiving it soon. If you've already updated, let us know in the comments if you've noticed any improvements. If you haven't yet, now is the time to do so. Security patches like these protect your phone from vulnerabilities that could otherwise put your personal data at risk. And with the added bonus of future updates like One UI 7 for the A35 and A53, there's even more to look forward to. Updating your phone might feel like a hassle, but it's a small price to pay for enhanced security, better performance, and a smoother user experience. Don't let your phone fall behind. Make sure it's always running the latest software. Whether you're using a Galaxy A23, A32, A35, or A53, these updates help ensure that your phone remains secure and reliable for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more updates and tech news.